right, futures are slightly under pressure here ahead of Monday's open. S&P futures are down by 0.1%, minus 0.10. Dow futures down also 0.1%, minus 0.10. And the Nasdaq also down 0.10. So slightly under pressure, 0.1% across the board here today. This is on the back of the news that the counter proposal from Iran was deemed unacceptable by the Trump administration. Oil's actually a little bit higher here today by about 3.3%. Honestly, on the surface, I know it's early. We'll see what happens, but I guess kind of shocked that the market isn't down a little bit more with oil rising like that. Now, let's take a look at some cues from last session here. Information technology, consumer discretionary, materials, and real estate stocks closed higher on Friday, while S&P 500 sectors like utilities, healthcare, financials, energy, and industrials ended negatively. U.S. stock futures fell on Monday after Friday's higher close. This followed President Trump's rejection of Iran's response to U.S.-backed peace proposal. Trump took to Truth Social and wrote, "I have just read the response. I don't like it. Totally unacceptable." End quote. On the economic front, investors will be looking out for the crucial Consumer Price and Producers Index reports this week. Companies like Cisco Systems, ticker CSCO, Alibaba Holdings, ticker BABA, Applied Materials, ticker AMAT, and Him and Hers Health, ticker HIMS, will report earnings this week. Meanwhile, the 10-year Treasury bond yielded 4.38%, and the 2-year bond was at 3.92%. CME Group's Fed Watch tool projections show the market pricing in a 93.6% likelihood of the Federal Reserve leaving the current interest rates unchanged during the June meeting. Now, we've got several stocks in focus here for you today, and the first one is going to be Antelope Enterprise Holdings, and I believe this was a mover from Friday. This is ticker AEHL. I know the group has traded this a whole bunch. That surged 15.83% in the pre-market on Monday after it unveiled $190,000 in realized gains from its Genius plan, a dynamic Bitcoin-focused digital asset management strategy. The next stock on our list is going to be Moderna, and the ticker is MRNA, and shares jumped 8.57% as traders reacted to a peer-reviewed phase 3 flu vaccine data. We'll see how that ends up trading here today. Micron is the next stock on our list. The memory pump continues. Micron, ticker MU, rose 2.1% after memory-linked chipmaker logged 35% week-to-date gains last week. The stock's best week since December of 2008. Can it top it this week? Does it keep going? We'll see here. Micron absolutely on watch. The next stock on our list is going to be Innodata, and this is ticker INOD or INOD. It fell 2.82%, but that's after surging 86% on Friday after the company reported better than expected first quarter financial results and issued fiscal 26 sales guidance above estimates. The last stock on our list is going to be Fluor, and the ticker is FLR. It rose 1.29% after falling over 15% on Friday as it reported worse than expected first quarter financial results. The interesting thing about this is that we talked about this being a possible data infrastructure play. It sure looks like that hasn't panned out yet.